Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. In today's video, the popular Nollywood star actress, Toyin Abraham was seen in her new house in front of her husband. It was obvious that she just came out of her kitchen. She was seen with her shoulders all raised when her husband asked her for the reason for the high shoulder raised. Watch and see the reason why her shoulder is like that. What do you like about this couple? Drop your comment in the comment section down below. Please make sure you watch the video till the end.
Ọkọ mi fruit. Your fruit.
Ẹ̀wọ̀, kí ló ṣẹlẹ̀ tó lọ gónúlẹ̀?
Pride ni.
Kí ló tún wá ṣapá ẹ̀ náà lára ẹ̀?
Pride ni kò tí ì lọlẹ̀ láti gbẹ̀yìn kò ń ṣe fault.
Kí ni yóò nà máa wọ̀n bẹ́ẹ̀?
No, Baba, you can't fault me. It's not my fault. It's a natural phenomenon. Béèrè lọ́wọ́ àwọn tó lówó. Kò sí kéèyàn jẹ́ kò ní irú àdúró wọn yẹn 250 million kò sí kò ń ṣe pé bí àmọ́ mọ̀mọ́ tó bá take note wà ní pé gbogbo àwọn ata ní irú owó yẹn bá ṣe máa ń rí lélẹ̀ a ní 500 million wá ní wọ́n kọ́ mi ní dáná fún ẹmọ́ mi it's not my fault.
Ọ̀nà dáná mọ́tò bá wọ 500 million.
Mi kò possible 500 million it's not my fault it's just I'm trying so hard go easy but it's just coming naturally. It's a natural.
Ọ̀nà dáná mọ́tò bá ti wọ 500 million.
Àmì ní dáná mọ́ pride yẹn máa tún kọjá bóyá orí ni màmá fi hàn. So it's not my fault, it's just a natural thing.
You
never see anything.
It's not my fault, Baba. There's nothing I can do about it. I'm trying so hard. You know I'm a go-getter, but this I cannot get it. I cannot get it by call me lole. I'm a go-getter, but this I can't get it. I'm so sorry.
Jesus.
Only thing to le jẹ́ ká pa mi lole ni. Táwọn èèyàn, táwọn fans, àwọn 20 titans, àwọn èèyàn, àwọn olóríire, if they can take me to 300 million. By the time to bá mú lọ 300, ó máa wálẹ̀ cause my con over pé kí ló kù.
Okay. So where can be on ẹjọ́ tó lọ ẹjẹ́ kó sáré lọ.
No, I will say it myself. I will say it. So hello everybody. Good day. Good day wherever you are, morning, afternoon.
Wọ́n náà bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀ nọ́mà akọ́lù fi ń sọ̀rọ̀.
Few weeks ago tí mò ń bẹ̀ wọ́n ti kọjá owó ti wà báyìí. Mo ṣe pé kíní.
Ó dà jọ wọ́n fà kọ́ bá wọn sọ̀rọ̀.
Hello everyone. I just want to tell you that please take me to 300 million. I promise you guys, once you take me to 300 million, this hand is going to come down. It's going to be natural. It's going to be a natural thing, a natural phenomenon. Please, I'm begging you. I'm just trying to, it's not like I'm really begging, but I'm saying it as a rich person. This side to beg you people, please.
You said that you're begging them. You're not saying that. It's not that I'm really begging. What's that?
I don't even know. Just go, notice. I want about to do go power learning or what my yard was alright. They see I'm your man boa. 300 million. So guys, after this video, please you will see the show time. Please help me get to 300 million. It's not a thing I can help. If I can help it, I'll do it. Alright. Thank you. Nigeria, go to cinema this weekend is a good time. Thank you.
If you enjoy the video you just watched, please like, subscribe for more. Feel free to comment, share with your friends and click the notification bell icon to be the first to see our next video. Thanks and God bless.